Hey there, everybody. It's David. Just want to say hello and talk to you a little bit about some things that are really, really on my mind. I know that all of us are getting older. I know that at the age of 50, after enduring a tumor in my chest, I trained for 4 years to run an ultra marathon, and I accomplished that. And we did a whole YouTube on it. It was really beautiful with my wife Carrie, and it was quite an accomplishment. And then Carrie got pregnant with Willa, and we had a baby, and time just marches on. And here I am, 61 years old, and I promised myself from my 60th birthday I would do something, and I didn't. I have all kinds of great excuses, by the way, and I'm sure we all do, but I do not want to go into my 60s. I didn't want to go into my 50s without accomplishing something that my family could look at and always think about. And here I am, 60. I'm in, pretty good form, but I've been ignoring a lot of things with my health and wellness, and I've been doing things that are dangerous to the future of my body, and I'm sure that all of you guys have done the same thing. So I am going to create a whole life program for my company, Light Lounge, and I want you to be part of it. This isn't about big goals. This isn't about running a marathon. This isn't about running this, but I'm going to recomp my body at 61 years old, and there's tremendous amounts of things that I've got to overcome with doing this. Okay, it's not going to be easy to build muscle at this age, but I'm going to build muscle. It's not going to be easy to get myself back in shape or to recomp my body, but I'm going to do it. I'm also going to be using some very, very unique technology, and I'm going to be putting up a website where you can become part of this. It's not going to be any cost involved as far as joining the group. If you're here in Evergreen or you're close to one of our franchise locations, it's going to be having this biometric scanner. I would love for you to become part of it, but down the road I'll announce that. But I just want you to think about this. No matter what if you're over the age of 40, you're starting to think a little bit about your longevity. You're starting to really think about, like, how long am I going to live? Am I going to be here for my kids? Am I going to, be able to be that rock as I go into my 70s, 80s, and hopefully 90s? I need to get off my ass, basically, and I need to get going. So if you like this message, please like it below, share it, save it, bookmark it, whatever this social media crap tells you to do. But I'd like you to be part of this. I'd like you to be part of my journey. And even if you're just rooting me on, that's great. But I'd like you to just participate with me. And let's get all the blood work. Let's do all the biometrics. Let's know the combination of our body so that we can create these strong, healthy, ageless bodies. I hope you'll join me. I don't know where I'm going with this, but we're going to create a whole life program that works for you and works in your lifestyle. So like I said, you don't have to do a big event. You don't have to run a marathon. You don't have to, jump out of a plane or do any of those crazy things. But we've got to get it going, because I've been putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. And if you're just like me, say down below, I'm just like you, Dave. I'm just like you. But join me, okay? Because it means a lot to me. And I want to see you succeed in life, not just physically, emotionally, spiritually, mentally, but all over. I want you to be there for your families. I don't care if you're a female or a male, but it's going to be pretty male-centric. I'm sorry. But I hope that you'll join me. This is going to be something so fantastic, this whole life program for Light Lounge. And yeah, we're gonna turn it out. Hope to see you.